Hi there, my van lifing friends and all others. Today I'm going to show you the difference between the original headlamps and the AUXBEAM LED headlamps, both on the low beam and on the high beam. And this model year of the Fiat Ducato, we have the H7 fittings on the headlamps, both of them at each side, and I'm going to show you how that looks. Really nice. This is a collaboration with AUXBEAM, who sent me these headlamps, and as well a LED bar, but that's for the next video. First I'm going to let you see the difference to change the headlamps to LED on this Fiat Ducato, or other cars, van for the matter. You can see the similar results. It's your responsibility to see if this is legal in your home country to swap to LED lights. So follow me into this video to see the differences. And in the end of the video, or in the description, I will also leave a discount code for you if you want to purchase these products from AUXBEAM or other AUXBEAM products, because the discount is on their complete product range. Let's get into it. You need to dismount these headlamp assemblies. I will show you that, and also how these lamps looks. I was a little bit worried first that these huge lamps didn't fit into the headlamp housing, but they do, and it's really tight. But have a look. As I said, this is how they look. This is H7 H7. Look at this, really cool. You will see a close-up as well later. What you get in the package, except from a pair of these light bulbs replacements, look at these beauties. In the box you get some plastic stripes, an instruction how to mount them, and of course a sticker. How nice isn't that? And these lights are cooled with a fan. They produce about 14,000 lumen, and the color is 6,000 Kelvin. So stay tuned to see the performance of these lights. As a bonus, I will also give you a sneak peek on the next video. Look at this. It is a LED bar from AUXBEAM, but this will be on the next video, so please check out that one. Right, so here you see the van with my AUXBEAM LED headlamps on the low beam, and just around the corner here I will turn it to high beam. So this is the high beam with AUXBEAM LED bulbs. So I have two of these on each side, one for the low beam and one for the high beam, and it's H7. Look at the difference. Just to swap the headlamps, the bulbs to LED makes this difference. So much more relaxed than the original one. And in the next video I will show you how the AUXBEAM 22-inch 5D Pro LED bar will even improve this further to the next level. So stay tuned.